Hey guys, welcome back to Keith Eats. Today we are back with our avocado and egg sandwich. I know you guys missed it last time. People were like, where's the avocado at? Well, it's back, so you guys know the drill. We're gonna go ahead and spread our avocado, put our egg in there. Yo, I'm always running out of time when I'm doing these videos. Put a little bit of onions, put some tomato, and then you guys know we can't forget our Cameroonian hot pepper. We're gonna put that in there. Literally, I can eat this every day for lunch, breakfast, and dinner. Just listen to that crunch. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.